In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ChatGPT Gmail. We're going to connect a ChatGPT-powered add-on to your Gmail so you can draft, refine, and summarize emails right from your inbox. I'll walk you through the installation and first-time setup, and I'll share a few tips to make each screen clear and stress-free. Start by signing in to your Gmail account in your web browser. Once your inbox loads, look over to the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see a slim vertical toolbar with icons for things like calendar and tasks. At the bottom of that panel, there's a small plus icon. Click that plus icon to open the Google Workspace Marketplace inside Gmail. A Marketplace window will appear where you can search for add-ons. In the search bar, type ChatGPT Gmail, then press Enter. You're looking for the listing that integrates a ChatGPT-style assistant with Gmail. In many cases, it will appear as AI Assistant for Gmail. Open the listing and take a quick moment to read the description so you're sure it matches what you want. Click Install to begin. A confirmation box will appear. Choose Continue. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to confirm which Google account you're using and to accept the add-on's terms. Just follow the on-screen prompts. It's normal for Gmail add-ons to request certain permissions so they can function within your inbox. Next, you'll see a screen labeled something like Select what AI Assistant for Gmail can access. This page explains exactly what the add-on needs to do, such as viewing or managing certain Gmail data to help compose and summarize messages. Review the details carefully so you're comfortable, then click Continue to proceed. When the installation completes, you'll see a confirmation message. Click Done to close the Marketplace window and return to your inbox. You should now notice the new Assistant's icon added to the right-hand sidebar alongside your other tools. Click the newly installed icon to open the add-ons panel. The first time you open it, you'll likely see a prompt to grant permission so it can run inside Gmail. Click Grant Permission and follow any brief prompts that appear. This step finalizes the connection so the assistant can work with your inbox. That's it. The assistant is now available from the sidebar whenever you need help drafting replies, creating polished emails, or summarizing long threads, all without leaving Gmail. If you're using a school or work account, keep in mind organizational policies may apply, so always review permissions carefully. You're ready to go.